The FIRSTINFO F3917 brake pad measuring tool is your efficient, time-saving solution for vehicle maintenance. It allows you to quickly measure brake pad linings without the need to remove the wheel. Designed for both internal and external brake pads, it features precise calibration markings from 1.5 mm to 11 mm and works perfectly with 6 mm backing plates. The slim design makes it easy to position the tool behind the brake pad, while the precision probe measures the distance between the liner and the brake disc. Made entirely of durable metal, the tool offers long-lasting performance and delivers clear, high-precision readings. Lightweight and portable, it's designed for maximum convenience. Here's how it works. Step 1. Place the tool's contact points against the brake disc. Step 2. Push out the measuring rod and position the measuring pen vertically. Step 3. Read the result from the back end and subtract the iron sheet thickness for an accurate measurement. Simplify your brake maintenance routine with the reliable F3917 brake pad measuring tool from FIRSTINFO Tools.